Top 3 best AI apps for iPhone or Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about top 3 best AI apps for your iPhone or Android which are feasible on both. So first one on our list is of course ChatGPT. So it's an official AI application from the OpenAI. So it basically gives a free or paid version to its user, which is amazing for chatting, brainstorming, writing, coding, helping, and also as a personal assistant tasks. It's also very clean interface providing and very fast responses. So you may need to check out, and the less said about it is more, because everyone should know about this application or this AI tool in 2025. So next application in our line is Grammarly application. So it's also best for writing assistant as an AI writing assistant, which is both available on Android and iOS. It also provides free and premium plans, and it works as an AI writing assistant directly in any app like messages or emails or social media, and fixes grammar, suggests better words, even improves your tone. So third on our list is Notion AI. So you may or may not have heard about this application, but it is a wonderful application which also provide free and paid upgrade for AI features. So it's perfect if you want AI for help for writing, planning, and organizing the tasks. You can ask it to generate blog posts, summarize notes, and create to-do lists, etc. So it's great for overall task management. So if you want to manage your tasks or daily life task or work, it's a great application. So make sure to comment down which is your favorite among these. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.